هلا 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 هلا.
على
اوكي
ايوه
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هلا 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 هلا. ما مليون بورا صار. ما مليون موت صار. موتو. Bora in Nairobi. Yeah, I'm sorry, in Watamu. Beautiful weather today. Very beautiful weather. Yes. MMS. Oh, Sarah, let's keep moto. Bora. I'm sorry I touch you. Okay? It's okay? I'm sorry. Because I'm afraid. Yeah. Hambo tawa Missouri sana. La. Oh no. Hadal maha. Embedded is arag maha. Bempa berarti pala les kan bayai MMS kasih tagan ya moto ikat deh hey what's up yeah what are you gonna say my people say hi
hi
how you doing
I'm good
yes حبايبي MMS ama Aya ama waxaad doontaan ku sheega MMS waa maamo fiican waa hooyo qaali ah dee mootadan Soomaaliya inuu joogaan raaci jira soo moogid dee baadiye so Nairobi baan rabaa inaan ka raaco why you don't wear glasses okay wear glasses okay
yeah
glasses yeah
what do you mean
because you wear your glasses for your eyes yeah because always you driving Bora
okay
yeah that's why you can see hello say hi Ujadan Matamu is a beautiful place it's a Kenya is home Kenya is Africa I am from Africa and he is my son he's from Africa hello African people yeah hello African people I am African I'm so proud I am East African beautiful women I'm so enjoying home Kenyan people is very nice people and I am so happy and I'm so proud and inshallah I can come a year 2 times or 3 times inshallah that's my plan that's my goal yes this is my thought it's a beautiful place
yes
yesterday I was going and safari is so nice I see a lot of things and I'm enjoying yeah hello yeah I'm YouTuber that's why my people see watching my YouTube channel I am from United States of America and I come visit here and Nairobi, Kenya, all Mombasa, Watamu, a lot of places, Malindi, it's beautiful. I want to see tomorrow, inshallah, maybe Malindi, but I'm enjoying Watamu. Right? Watamu? Oh, okay. I'm sorry, I say wrong way. marka asxaabay waan salaamayaa waa idin jecelahay channelkayga haddaad daawataan subscribe saara thumb up saara share gareeya daawada maama malyuun halkaasay fadhidaan saasay isu kala hayaan sidana waa rabaa saasa ana masari sana mama I'm not too old Jambo
bwana
okay
habari gani nzuri sana
okay
wageni wakaribishwa
okay
Kenya yetu haina matata
hakuna matata
Kenya yetu nzuri
okay
haina matata sing
Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
Yes.
MMS, she's enjoying Kenya, Watamu. Beautiful place. If you want to see Watamu, come here. And you have to look this guy. He's a nice guy.
Enjoy, huh?
Yeah.
You are all
Wow.
welcome.
Yes. I bring a lot of people
Yeah.
and I get your number
Okay.
and I call you. And until I'm here,
Yeah.
you give me right for me.
Okay.
Yes.
Good.
And I give you a nice gift. Don't worry.
Okay.
Because you're like my son.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm like your mom. Yep.
Like your mom.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. MashaAllah. Beautiful place. Asxaabta qaaliga ah. Mar dhow baan YouTube-ka idiin soo gelinayaa. Videogan. Ma fahanteen? Mar dhow baan idiin soo gelinayaa YouTube-ka. Weli maydna arag anoo saaran mooto. Laakiin aad baan ugu enjoy gareeyay maanta. Gacanina wiilka qabsada uma baanay. Innaba caadi ma aha. Halkaanaan ku deganayaa. Bangigaanaan aadayaa. Don't worry, we need it still. Yeah, halkaanaan ku deganayaa. Bangigaanaan aadayaa. I'll be back, inshallah. Subscribe and thumb up and share and watching my channel. And thank you very much. I am Watamu in Kenya. Love you guys.
Welcome.